Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this key lime rum made by Parrot and mix it with the Sprite Chill, which is a cherry lime flavored soda. What you will need is 1.5 ounces of your Parrot Bay key lime rum and top it off with your Sprite Chill. Give that a quick stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Joseph Bowser. Joseph passed away on August 2nd, 2024 at the age of 88. He served in the Army Reserves from 1952 through 1995, and he called Washington, D.C. home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow, another 10 out of 10. This is another fantastic drink. Joseph, outstanding. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis and would like to receive help, call Mission 22 at 800-273-8255. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Please help me spread the message of mental health awareness. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day.